Good day, good day. This is Twin Force Fusion, and on a Sunday, the 10th June, beautiful day. I just want to show you guys I debadged my car. No more Fusion Sport and that Ecoboost logo. And somebody in the chat asked me, to make listen the BBK throttle body. So that's what I'll do. I'll start the engine. And give you a few moderate open throttle. There's no difference in sound. Well, if there is one, I cannot see the difference. So, if there is one, well, you guys be the judge. Don't forget, inside the this thing here, that carbon filter was removed. I thought it was for the noise, but somebody mentioned also in that video that at Toyota they use it also, and it's like a carbon filter for some type of pollution. And here it is, guys. That's the BBK sound on a 1718 Ford Fusion Sport. And that's it. That's all. I'm gonna go back on the road and enjoy the rest of the day. Cheers.